beautiful and creative beings. What's up? So, as you can see, I bought a plant. I am officially a plant mom, and this is my first time potting a tree. So, it y'all will see. It's a struggle, but I'm learning. So, first, I got to get that little sticker off because that ain't cute. And so I'm just trying to put the soil in. Like I was talking to the guy at Home Depot, and he was trying to help me out as much as possible, but I feel like it's kind of like a trial and error type thing. So basically, the directions said to fill it like a third of the way. So that's what I attempted to do. I'm not sure how much you can see, but I would say that's about a third of the way. He was saying you just have to like dig out the whole root. So I had to loosen up the soil. It was pretty hard. I don't know the last time they watered the plant. Probably not at all. So I really just had to um, kind of unearth the plant and also pulled a little bit of the dirt and the soil from the original pot that it was in. So I had to undig it up. See that big old root? The root, as other people would call it. Kind of just have to like push it down into the pot and then add some more soil to it. He didn't say how much soil to add once you put it into the new pot, but I just wanted it, I put in enough so that it would, stand on its own. Then I added a little bit more of that soil to the mix just because I feel like it was already acclimated to that soil. I don't know if that's right or wrong, but that's what I decided to do. I tried to watch a couple of YouTube tutorials on how to care for the money tree, which is what this is, by the way. And it wasn't really helpful. The two that I saw, I feel like they were just talking more about the plant in general. But I did learn that is from, the South America. So it's used to tropical weather, which is good because my house is hot. It'd be hot as heck. Like it's 22 degrees cooler outside at night than it is inside the house, which is crazy. So now I'm just trying to water it. He didn't really say how much to water it or whatever, but I think you only have to water it like once. I don't know. I think it's whenever the soil is dry. But I wanted to, water it. It's in a new environment, so give it the extra water and nutrients. Yeah, just try to, make sure that it's in there all the way. Testing out the soil to see how wet it is. And I wanted the water to get all the way down. So that's why I keep moving the pot to see if it's in the little disc underneath. So realize it's not. So I'm putting some more water in. And then I noticed that like the water is going down, like the clay is getting darker where the water is. That's what I noticed. So I was like, okay, makes sense. I'm glad I got this pot now because it's kind of helping me out since I don't really know what I'm doing. So I'm just trying to water it until it gets down like lower to like the bottom of the soil or the bottom of the pot. I just want it to get wet basically to the bottom so I know that everything is watered. And it's the first time, so it's like I want to make sure everything's watered. So I had to kind of refill that every so often, and I use filtered water, like drinking water. Like I have 2 filters. I have a filter on my actual sink, and then I have a water filter where we store the water. So I use that water because it's like the water that's in the sink is not good. We don't have bottled water, and this is a living thing, so it deserves the water that I put in my own body. So it took me a couple of times to fill it up because I didn't know how much to fill up, but I got it to water all the way down, and this is the final product. Super excited. It's super tall, and I'm so excited for my money tree. And so thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. All right, I will see you beautiful and creative beings next time. Bye.